guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful Pokemon themed box. Here are the things you need. Some edible images. I got these images off from Google. Some mini cupcake liners. White chocolate. I am using about 12 ounces. Some circle cutters. A fondant rolling pin. A knife. Candy coloring by Color Mill in the color red. 6 strawberries. Make sure they're super clean and dry. Your silicone mold and some fondant, black and white. Okay, you guys, so let's start by melting the chocolate. Once your chocolate is fully melted, we are going to color 1 part red. We want to recreate the Pokemon ball, so we want the top half of the heart red. Try to make it as neat as possible, but it doesn't have to be super perfect because we will be adding a strip of fondant on top of our heart. If accidentally you go below the line, you can just go ahead and wipe it off with a napkin. Once you're done, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now that our heart is ready, we are going to add our white chocolate into the mold. Before you pour in the chocolate, please make sure it's at room temperature, because if it's hot, it will start melting the red, and you don't want that because then the red is going to start spreading towards the bottom of the heart, and yeah, it's not gonna look cute. We want the red to stay where it is. Make sure to cover all the edges and all the creases, and once you're done, pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Our heart is ready for another layer, and once you're done, pop it in the fridge again for a couple minutes. Our heart is ready. We just need to remove it from the mold and then decorate it. We are ready to decorate our breakable heart. What you need is black fondant and white fondant, but for now we are going to use the black fondant first to create a black strip so we can cover that line. like just look at it how smooth it is. I highly recommend this fondant. So as you can see, the first strip I did, it was a little bit too short, so I'm going to make a longer one. Since my fondant is not dry, I will not be adding edible glue, but if your fondant is a little bit dry, I do suggest to add edible glue so your fondant can stay in place. Now we are going to add 2 circles, one black and one white. Almost done. All we have to do is chocolate dip our strawberries and decorate them. When I do get bubbles on my strawberries, I like to pop them with a toothpick. So I was thinking of leaving the strawberries just like that, white, but I feel like they were too plain, so I wanted to add some color specks, so I will be using poppy paint in the color red and black. If you're not familiar with poppy paint is an edible paint. It dries super quick. They are a little bit pricey, but I mean it's worth it because the quality is super great. Go ahead and add our edible images. You can use edible glue or chocolate. If you are using chocolate, make sure it's white because if you use colored chocolate, it will be noticeable. If you guys are interested in edible images, I do offer printing services. You can go on my website at sprinklesugarpop.com and go under the edible images tab, and you'll see a custom listing where you can upload your images and I can ship them out to you. We are finally done. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you will miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.